Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you can tell I'm going to do an everyday purple glam. I hope you guys are all doing well in these crazy times we're living in. I hope you guys are all looking after your health, all staying safe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Yes. As you guys kind of see, it's been a few days now. It's kind of well, it's still purple, but I feel like it is going to go like a blue colour. Some of the really light blonde parts of my hair have kind of gone like a bluey, a really light kind of purple. So anyway, I'm loving it so far still. Yes. So yeah, I'm just going to do an everyday look, a quick and easy glam that I would do for going out wearing purple hair. So yeah, let's get into the video. Right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get in with my Model's Own primer, just because my skin's kind of like a little bit dry today, at least I feel like it is. So yeah, so I'm going to go and put this on first, and then I'm going to go and put on the foundation. So let's go and do that. Right, so just put the primer on. I'm loving this lighting. Ooh. Golden hour, I believe. Oh, golden hour makeup tutorial. Golden hour purple makeup tutorial, yes. Thanks God. So, I'm going to go in my foundation now. I'm using the Revolution Concealed Fine Foundation in, what shade is it? F5.7? I thought it would see something. I'm going to ask for the concealer. So yeah, F5.7 foundation. Let's go, honey. I've done quite a few dabs. Why have I done that? Okay. Right, it's done the foundation. Oh yes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to literally just move on to the eyeliner. Not sure if I'll be able to film it because I need both hands to do eyeliner and the mirror. Like, I need it set up somewhere. I don't really have much room. So yeah, and what I'll do, I'll come back with my eyeliner done. Work. So see you guys in a bit. Right, so eyeliner done. Snatched next. For those who are interested, I use their NYX matte black eyeliner. Yes. Sponsor me, NYX. Sponsor me. Always comes out really well. It's really good colour. Doesn't really smudge, so that's what I like about it the most. So yeah, sponsor me. What I'm going to do now is I think I'm just going to go into the eyeshadow. So I've kind of already figured out what I want to do. So if you guys remember my like everyday just look in general, I kind of done like a under eye kind of look, if that makes any sense, which it probably doesn't, so go check out the video, and also I'm going to do it in this video so you'll see it. YouTuber girls, thank you lighting, thank you, I look gorgeous, thank you, thank you. Right, let's sort it out, back to normal. Right, so yeah, I'm just going to do this and go under the eye, and kind of do it so it goes under the eyeliner, like so. Can you guys see? I've kind of just done that below the eye. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a shimmer shade for the inner corner and kind of blend it out. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. So I'm going to go and do that now. So yeah, I'm going to go in, I was just using my BH Cosmetics Focus and then Filter 2 Colour Matte Shadow Palette, which you guys, if you follow me for a while, you'd have seen and you love just as much as me. I know you will. Thank you, lighting. Thank you, lighting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, so I'm now going to go in with my BH Colour Cosmetic for your eyes. 28. What's wrong with this lighting? Why's it keep doing that? There has some really nice shimmers in here, and I'm going to go in with this purple shimmer up the top here, just for the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to go and pop that on now. Oh yes. Sorry guys, I don't know why my iPhone seems to keep like being weird and stuff. So I'm going to go and put this on in the inner corner now. Right, so there we go. You can kind of see the shimmer. Shimmer midimmer. I think it's very pretty. Don't be afraid to pack on that colour. Right, so there we go. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, purpleness, yes. So what I'm going to do now is for the blush. Yeah, I think I'll do a contour because it's quite cold. Right, so I'm going to go in. Oh, hello. Hello. So I'm going to go in my Unicorn Hearts highlighter. I'm going to go in with the purple shade up here. I'm just going to go and put that on the cheeks. Back we go. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on the cheeks, the nose, and maybe just, I don't know, I think that's probably it really. It's a simple everyday glam after all, guys. Right, it's done the highlighter. Pull it on the tip of my nose, on the cheeks obviously, and yeah, the rest of the nose and the cupid bow. Cupid who? go and try and find my contour because I don't know where it is, but yeah, I'll find it. Right, so I'm just going to use my BH 42 colour matte palette, and I'm just going to go in with, let's say, a lighty kind of contour. So let's go with this shade of brown here. If you can see. So I'm just going to go in with this one. It's got like a coffee colour, so I'm not sure if it'd be a great contour, but we'll try out. Why not, guys? Experimentation. So sorry, my iPhone's been so weird today, right? Hello! So yeah, I just done the contour, and it's quite light. I actually went in with the darker brown in the end, because the coffee kind of shade just wasn't really showing, so yeah. Now I'm happy with it. So, voila! What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and do the lipstick. So what I've got in mind is there's this lipstick shade from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs, and I actually weared it once and hated it and I've never worn it again. I think I'd done it for like, it was like an Aiden inspired look or something weird. So I'll put a link if I find it. But yeah, so I was going to go and put that on the lips first, and then I was going to use the Jeffree Star Clout shade as like, kind of like a lip gloss topper. So yeah, I kind of tried it on my arm, it looked really cool, so I'm going to do my lips. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and literally just do the lips now. So guys, my amazing iPhone decided to delete the footage of me putting the Jeffree Star clout on, so I'm just going to go and repeat it. So I put the clout on now. Honestly, the lipstick looks so much better with it on, and I really think if you put like a cheap lipstick that you don't really like, the whole reason why I don't like it is because basically it used to just literally imprint onto my teeth all the time. It was really annoying, didn't really stay on properly and stuff like that, and would come off really quickly as well. I literally went out for like a few hours and the whole thing was gone and my teeth were covered in purple, so yeah, this isn't really colour you want to get all over your teeth. So yeah, and then I went and put this on, and I had a feeling that if you put like a good lip product over like a cheap one, it will kind of keep it in place, and that's exactly what has been happening so far. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like a shimmer that the clout kind of gives to it, which I really like. So yeah, I can use this again. I've only ever used it once, but I know if I put this on top of it, I can use it, and it'll actually turn out quite well. So yeah, loving this look, loving the hair as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've had it in for, I'd say, about 2 days now. And yeah, and so it's still kind of holding its colour. So I don't know if it's gonna, because when I washed my hair today, some of the colour did come out. So yeah, but we shall see, because from the reviews that I heard, that I've watched, the hot purple colour does stay in your hair for like a good month. So we'll see. Maybe because I'm such a light blonde, it might wash out quicker. I don't know. So yeah, so that's literally going to be it for this look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes. And yeah, like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I pop on the screens of a new video. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.